Hey guys, and welcome to my kitchen. No, I'm not gonna be cooking, but I am trying out the rice water treatment. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I make that. So I'm gonna be showing you the ingredients that I currently have. So of course I have my measuring cup. I have some lemongrass essential oil. I have 2 cuties. I'm gonna be using the peels for this, and then after, of course, I'm gonna eat them. Some rice, and I picked up a few things from Dollar Tree that I did not have. So I did have a mason jar, but I can't find it. So I'm going to be using this Betty Crocker Easy Seal storage container. So hopefully this is like an airtight seal, and I got this for $1 from the Dollar Tree. I got I believe this is a sifter. It says a mesh strainer, but I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1. And I also got a funnel set. And it comes with 3 pieces. So I'm gonna be putting my rice water in a spray bottle. So that's gonna help me transfer that. So I don't need this yet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that back in the bag, and we're gonna work with the other stuff that we have. Okay, so I am at my sink, and what I'm going to do is take the rice, and I'm gonna do 1 cup of rice, because I feel like that should be enough, because I have a lot of hair. So I'll do 1 cup of rice. That's about 1 cup. It doesn't have to be spot on. I'm gonna take this, put it in my bowl. And then I'm going to add water to it. I'm just gonna use cold water. So just to cover the rice. And now I'm going to pretty much just rub the rice to get the first coating off of the rice. So there's supposedly, which I didn't know, a preservative that's on top of the rice, which scares me because I never rinse my rice before. I just cook the rice. I don't rinse it. I mean, now I've had this rice for a long time, but now with COVID and everything, I think I'm gonna start doing this for rice when I actually cook it. So I'm gonna continue to do this for about 2 minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes, that's what the water looks like, which is like, it's like really cloudy. So this really scares me, like I said, because I did not do this before. I would just cook my rice and eat it. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna now take my mesh strainer and pour that off. And then I'm just gonna put the rice back into the bowl. Now I'm going to add more water to the bowl, just enough to cover it. So that much. And now I'm going to pretty much do the same thing, but I'm going to, let me see if I can show you guys. Move this. I'm going to rub the rice in between my hands like this. So go ahead and start, not necessarily breaking it down, but this is supposed to help with getting the nutrients out of the rice into the water. So this I'm gonna do for 5 minutes. Okay, so this is what the water looks like after rubbing it down for 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on it. Like I said, I hope this is an airtight seal. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it in the back of my kitchen cabinet to go ahead and ferment for 2 days. Now, as far as what kind of white rice to use, because I know that that's going to be the question. I've been doing a lot of research on this because I think the first time that I tried it, I didn't do it correctly, and that's why I didn't film it. Also, another reason why I didn't film it is because I wasn't tracking my journey anymore on YouTube. The disrespect. So I wasn't tracking my progress on YouTube anymore for my hair, but I was doing it on Instagram. So it just, I felt like I didn't do it right, and I didn't do it long enough. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out this time and see how it works. I know someone who stated that it really worked for her hair. When she stayed consistent for 8 weeks, she noticed that she gained 1 inch to 1.5 inches each week. Now she is relaxed, so I might not see that growth until I go ahead and like detangle in the shower, or if I straighten my hair again, which I'm not gonna do until like the beginning of summer, which will be like June. So yeah, I don't know if I'm using the correct rice. So this is white rice. It says on the packaging when I purchased it that it is white rice. It's Carolina rice. It's parboiled. So I don't know anything about white rice. I see them and I go for what my mom consistently uses, and she uses Carolina rice. That's the brand, Carolina. It comes in like this clear plastic packaging with like yellow and brown, like a stripe, and then it says Carolina in white. So this is what it looks like. A know-it-all told me that this is brown rice, but when I cook it, it's like stark white. So I don't know. It's white when I cook it. It's white rice to me. This is what my mom has used for years. She has not changed her brand. Sometimes use Uncle Ben's if I can't find Carolina, because that's what my mom does. But for the most part, it'll be the Carolina parboiled. So I don't know. I'm gonna Google it after I'm done with this, but I'm gonna put the airtight seal on here, or at least I hope it's airtight. It seems like it is. But I'm gonna put that on here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my cabinet. So there it is. It's gonna sit like that for 2 days. Okay guys, so this is what the rice water looks like after sitting for 24 hours. It has expanded because there was a lot more water in here than rice, and now it looks like there is more rice than water. So if you look at the previous clip, you'll see how much water was in there, and now that's how much is in there. So yeah, we're gonna let that sit. Okay you guys, so it's been 48 hours and this is what the rice water looks like so far. There's a lot more rice than water, and I'm going to add the lemongrass and the orange peels. So I'm gonna open this. Hopefully it doesn't smell too bad yet. I just wanted to show you guys that there's some bubbles forming there. So that's what it looks like. So, okay, first I'm going to add the lemongrass oil. I'm gonna put a good amount of squirts in here. So that's one. That's two. And I think I'm gonna do 3. That's 3. If I need to, I'll add some later. It doesn't smell bad right now, but it will. So now I'm going to take my knife and get some peels from this orange, and I'm just going to drop them in. I'm only gonna use 2. It should be enough. And I'm gonna put this on a paper towel to the side so I can eat it after. All right. This is very hard for me to peel. I don't know why. I'm damn near 30 and it's always been hard for me to peel oranges. Like, if you haven't noticed, I had to use a knife to start it off. And I have nails, so yeah. This is what it looks like. So that's my mixture I got going on there, and I'm just going to put the lid back on it and let it go ahead and ferment for 5 more days. I'm gonna give it a quick go around just to get all that up in there. So I'm just gonna go put this back in the cabinet. So there it is, back in the back of my cabinet. Just make sure that I closed it properly. Yeah, I closed it properly. So there it is, and that will sit for 5 more days. Okay, y'all, so this is what the rice water looks like. So I'm going to, it looks like it stained the bowl. Like, it looks so bad. And I think I see mold in there. I'm so scared right now. I'm terrified to open this. But anyway, I have my mesh strainer, and I also have a funnel, and I have a bowl, and just in case that bowl is not big enough, I have another one. And I also have a bottle that I got from Mess in a Bottle, which comes with this top. I'm not ready, but I'm ready. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put this over the bottle. First, I'm going to put my mesh strainer over the bowl. And I'm gonna open the bowl with the rice water in it. My nose ain't ready, but I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. It's not funky, but I think the lemongrass oil and the orange peels is saving it. So this is what that looks like. The rice water. There's like, it looked like it collected on the side. It doesn't smell bad at all. I smell more of the lemongrass oil and the orange peels. But as you can see, like, the orange peels are very discolored. So yeah, let's go ahead and remove this from this container. So here I go, pouring it into this mesh strainer. The orange peels colored the rice. Oh, that was enough. This bowl was enough because that's how much rice water I got. I'm just gonna dump more so that I can make sure that I got all of the water out. Oh, there's still a little bit more. And I'm dropping rice. doesn't smell 1,000% bad. The rice is still like hard in a way. Alright, so I'm gonna pick up one of the rice that I dropped. Oh, it's hard, but I was able to mash the rice. Like, it sounds hard, but it doesn't feel hard. Like, you can actually break the rice. So that's different. Okay. So I'm going to add the water into here so that I can have it in like an airtight container. Now you can ferment this for up to a month. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use this today. So I'm gonna braid up my hair and I'm gonna spray this on my hair and I'm gonna leave it in my hair for 24 hours. And then I'm going to deep condition my hair because this is supposed to be protein rich and it doesn't smell too bad. I think I did good on the lemongrass oil on the peels. I see particles at the bottom. My dog is talking. I was thinking of doing it every day and then deep conditioning my hair twice a week just to keep that moisture balance. But let's see how it goes. See how it goes because rice water is also supposed to promote healthy hair growth, so you're supposed to gain 1.5 to 2 inches of hair per week. That's the claim. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to update you guys on this in like a daily kind of vlog kind of like type video. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in the spray bottle and I'm gonna do that starting today. I'm just gonna braid my hair up and spray it in my hair and on my scalp and massage it into my scalp and my edges, my nape, and see what happens. Because remember you guys, I had that setback in the front. So I'm trying to take care of that too. And I was like, let me just try this, see how it goes. So yeah, that is what I am doing. Wish me luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video with updates on how this is working in my hair and how it feels and all of that stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. It is morning, I am tired, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.